Hello everyone, we welcome you back to our channel. This is Legal Mindset at the Bar, and today we are going to introduce to you the human rights. So, human rights is a topic in constitutional law too, and we are going to discuss this topic in a way that we are first going to introduce it, then in our subsequent videos we shall talk about right by right, because this topic is somehow technical and it is so paramount to your understanding of constitutional law too. So we are going to discuss it so tentatively and slowly but sure. So in this one, let us give the brief introduction of what human rights are. So, if you're talking about human rights, you should define them according to statutes, according to cases, and you can also include some international laws. We are going to also look at the derogable and the non-derogable rights. They are at times called the absolute and non-absolute rights. So, human rights are universal entitlements inherent to all people, regardless of race, religion, gender, or any other status. These rights are provided for under it is Chapter 4 of the 1995 Constitution of Uganda, uh, which provide for protection and promotion of fundamental and other human rights and freedoms. So, if you go on to Article 20, Clause 1 of the 1995 Constitution, it defines human rights as fundamental rights and freedoms of individuals inherent and not granted by state. It means you are born with those rights. It is not the state that gives you the rights. If you go to the case of Reverend Christopher Mutikira versus Attorney General of Tanzania, civil case number 5 of 1993, court held that human rights are not granted by the state but are inherent to every individual as soon as they are born. So, the Universal Declaration, this is the international scale, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights defines human rights as inherent, inalienable, and universal rights that belong to all people regardless of their characteristics. You can look at many international organizations which respect and observe human rights. You can look at the International Convention on Civil and Political Rights, that is ICCPR. You can also look at International Covenant on Economic, Social and Political Rights. So, that is the introduction you can give for human rights. Human rights are in two categories. We have the absolute rights, they are called the non-derogable rights. And we also have the derogable rights. Those ones are the non-absolute rights. So, to begin with the non-derogable rights, these ones are the rights that are absolute and cannot be limited under any circumstances. These rights are found in Article 44 of the 1995 Constitution. And the 1995 Constitution, Article 44, provides that there shall not be derogation from enjoyment of the following rights and freedoms. And they stated them: freedom from torture and cruel, inhuman, or degrading punishment, freedom from slavery and servitude, the right to a fair hearing, the right to an order of habeas corpus, the writ of habeas corpus. Those four are non-derogable. They cannot be taken away, come what come may. Those are your rights, which are non-derogable. We shall now go and look at the derogable rights. These ones can be taken away at any point. You can look at equality before the law, That is Article 21 of the 1995 Constitution. It is not absolute. It can be taken away. You can look at the right to life. It is also not absolute. It is in Article 22, and Article 22 is in essence that every person has a right to life. No person shall be degraded of their life intentionally, except where it is through a court of competent jurisdiction, and the conviction and the sentence have been confirmed by the highest appellate court. Your life can be taken. For example, when you commit murder, the punishment is death. It means your right of life can be taken. You can also look at the right to education in Article 30. You can look at the right to family in Article 31. You can look at the rights of children, the rights of women, right to privacy. All those are derogable rights. So, in our subsequent videos, we are going to tackle these rights one by one, such that you understand them very clearly. I urge you to subscribe to our channel if you are interested in seeing the next videos on human rights. Thank you very much.